Have you ever felt like your financial foundation could use some improvement? Maybe you've been struggling with budgeting, or you're uncertain about how to invest wisely. What if I told you that you could build a solid financial foundation without needing a finance degree or a six-figure salary? In today's video, we'll walk you through the top 5 smart ways to strengthen your financial foundation. These steps are not about getting rich quick, but about laying a strong groundwork for long-term financial success. Whether you're starting from scratch or looking to fine-tune your finances, these ways are practical and actionable. Let's dive in. 1. Spend consciously. Do you ever find yourself spending money without even thinking about it? Maybe you buy that daily coffee, grab lunch out of habit, or pay for subscriptions you never use. It's so easy to spend money mindlessly, but being conscious about your spending can be a game changer. The first step is identifying your unnecessary expenses. Start by going through your bank and credit card statements to track where your money goes. You might be surprised by how much you spend on small, repeated purchases. Our founder, Vivi, used to buy a coffee every day on her way to work. When the pandemic hit, she stopped this habit, and suddenly, she had 25 pounds more in her pocket each week. The key isn't to eliminate every small luxury, but to be mindful about it. If you budgeted for it and it adds value to your life, enjoy it. The goal is not to deny yourself, but to make sure your spending aligns with your financial goals. Cutting out mindless spending can free up more money for savings or investments, helping you build a stronger financial foundation. When you stop spending without purpose, you'll begin to see how much extra cash you could be using for smarter investments or setting aside for the future. The next time you're about to buy something out of habit, pause and ask yourself, is this purchase moving me closer to my financial goals? 2. Be smart about debt. Debt can be one of the biggest hurdles to achieving financial stability. When managed poorly, it can prevent you from building wealth and leave you struggling with high interest payments that pile up over time. But here's the good news. Being smart about managing your debt can put you back on track. Start by focusing on paying off high-interest debt first. If you have multiple credit cards or loans, prioritize the ones with the highest interest rates to save money in the long run. This strategy is known as the debt avalanche method, and it's incredibly effective at helping you reduce your total interest payments. If you're overwhelmed by multiple debts, consider consolidating them into a single loan or transferring your balances to a 0% interest credit card. This can simplify your payments and help you pay off your debt faster. Using credit cards wisely is also important. Paying off your full balance each month ensures you don't incur interest charges, while keeping your credit utilization ratio low, below 30%, can positively affect your credit score. Remember, the longer you carry debt, the more you'll pay in interest. Pay off your balances as quickly as possible. The quicker you eliminate your debt, the more money you can free up for savings and investments. Avoid the temptation to open new credit accounts unless absolutely necessary. More accounts can negatively impact your credit score and create unnecessary confusion. Being mindful of your credit usage will help you avoid new debt, allowing you to concentrate on paying down what you already owe. Finally, periodically check your credit report for any errors or discrepancies. Sometimes, mistakes can negatively impact your score, and disputing them can improve your financial standing. 3. Increase your income. While trimming expenses is important, there's a limit to how much you can reduce your spending. The real opportunity for financial growth lies in increasing your income. This can come from multiple sources. Start by looking for ways to boost your income at your current job, like asking for a raise or pursuing a promotion. If there's room for growth in your career, take steps toward increasing your earning potential. In addition to job growth, consider starting a side hustle or finding freelance work. Whether it's tutoring, graphic design, or content creation, a side hustle can give you the flexibility to earn extra money in your free time. Another option is to monetize a hobby or skill. For instance, if you love photography, you could sell your work online or take paid gigs for events. There are countless ways to make extra money, and by increasing your income, you'll be able to save and invest more, speeding up the process of building your financial foundation. However, before jumping into a second income source, ensure that you're not overloading yourself. Balance is key, especially if you have other commitments like family or full-time work. Make sure the extra work doesn't overwhelm you. If you enjoy what you're doing, your side hustle will feel like a rewarding experience rather than a chore. Over time, this extra income will not only help you build savings, but also offer opportunities for investments, opening the door to a more financially secure future. 4. Build an emergency fund. No one can predict when unexpected expenses will pop up, and when they do, having an emergency fund can save you from financial disaster. Start by saving at least 1 month's worth of living expenses. Once you have that, aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of expenses. The bigger your emergency fund, the more secure you'll feel knowing you have a buffer for life's curveballs. The key to building an emergency fund is consistency. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your emergency savings account so that you're regularly putting money away without even thinking about it. Even small contributions add up over time. If you're facing a particularly tight month, it's okay to scale back temporarily, but keep making progress toward your goal. The emergency fund is there to prevent you from going into debt when unexpected events arise, like a car repair or a medical bill. Being proactive about your emergency fund means you'll be prepared for anything that comes your way, from job loss to surprise expenses. The earlier you start, the better prepared you'll be to weather financial storms. Having a fully funded emergency fund also means that you won't have to rely on credit cards or loans in times of financial stress, allowing you to stay on top of your long-term goals. 5. Create and stick to a budget. Having a budget is one of the most effective ways to stay in control of your finances. When you have a clear understanding of where your money is going, you gain the ability to make informed decisions that align with your financial goals. Budgeting helps you save the future, avoid unnecessary expenses, and allocate resources where they matter most. The key to success is tracking your income and expenses regularly, allowing you to see exactly where your money is going and what's left over for saving, investing, and paying off debt. There are various ways to budget. Some people prefer using budgeting apps like Mint or Anab. You need a budget, while others prefer the simplicity of spreadsheets or even pen and paper. The important part is choosing a method that works best for you and your lifestyle, and then sticking to it. Consistency is essential. If you're new to budgeting, consider starting with the 50/30/20 rule, where 50% of your income is allocated to essentials, like rent and utilities, 30% to non-essentials, like entertainment and dining, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. This is a solid starting point, but feel free to adjust these percentages based on your personal circumstances. Having a clear financial roadmap will give you a sense of accomplishment, as you'll be able to track your progress and make adjustments as needed. Don't be discouraged if things don't go perfectly at first. Learning to budget takes practice, and mistakes will happen. The key is to keep improving and adapting until you find a system that works for you. And there you have it, the top 5 smart ways to strengthen your financial foundation. By being more mindful of your spending, managing debt smartly, increasing your income, building an emergency fund, and sticking to a budget, you can create a financial foundation that will serve you for years to come. Remember, it's all about consistency and small, achievable steps. The best part? These changes don't require a huge paycheck or drastic sacrifices, just a little bit of planning and discipline. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tips on how to improve your financial situation. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.